Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be actually customizing my M Pro 2. I have this keyboard for quite a while, so I am planning to actually just customize it and upgrading it by just changing the keycaps and the casing of the whole entire keyboard. So let's get into the video. So what I've done is I've actually taken out the PCB from the case of the keyboard. Now what I'm going to do is actually putting the metal backing, the casing, onto the PCB, or the PCB onto the metal backing. But the first thing I wanted to do is actually, if I'm not wrong, I wanted to apply a foam backing at the back of this case, so this will help to prevent this like pinging noise when I'm actually typing. So I'll actually be applying this foam backing. Okay, so after screwing down the PCB into the casing and applying the foam onto the casing as well, this is the end product of it basically. So now the last thing I want to do is actually just to put the keycaps on, and I'll give you the before and after typing test. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so this is it. This is how it looks like, and I'll actually get on to the typing test for the before and after.